Good morning, everybody. Today is May 18th, 2019. I like to start the day with Coin Paprika and looking at the market today, which we see a lot of red. Um, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, XRP's down, everything is down. You got a little green here on Bitcoin SV, and then a couple others I like. VeChain 2 is down, and Holochain is down. So a lot of red. Last week was really good, positive with a bunch of green, and we will get back there again. There's probably just some manipulation as always in this market, waiting for the big institutional investors to get positioned. So we have Facebook officially registers its blockchain arm in Switzerland. So this here, go ahead and load. Let's get a refresh here. Well, not sure why we're not. Let's start with this one here, this article. This is 3 reasons the current Bitcoin price really is fundamentally different. So the quick rundown is the underlying Bitcoin infrastructure improvements, generational shift in the way investors think about gold, and rising interest from institutional investors. So the generational shift in the way investors think about gold is interesting. I don't know if many or any of you have seen yet the Grayscale's commercial about dropping gold. So the generation has changed to where the mentality in the millennial group is that with all the new technology, everything's at your fingertips. That the new way of investing for these young investors will be in the digital asset market. So underlying Bitcoin infrastructure, this is Barry Silbert. He pointed out that 80% drawdowns have happened multiple times before. Each time Bitcoin has recovered to post record highs. But the big difference between now and 2017 bubble is the change in infrastructure. Yeah, but you have to come play with me. Okay, 1 second. I'm talking to the people of the world. And this year, I'll hit on this one. Again, you guys are more than welcome to go to this. This is at the bitcoinist.com is where I receive this information. This is a generational shift in the way investors think about gold. The younger generation has bought up the world, has been brought up in the world without a gold standard, which has been removed from the way in which the U.S. dollar has been backed. So approximately $68 trillion of wealth is due to be handed down to the boomer generation. This is unlikely to be invested in gold as it may have been previously. So again, this is great news for the digital asset world and market. With that amount of money, 68 trillion is quite a bit. Even I would say, gosh, even if we had half of that, 50% would be amazing. That's just that's just investing money. This isn't all the utility and all the other institutional money. This is just strictly investment money that the baby boomer generation is about to hand down as they age. So obviously not all of it will flow into Bitcoin, but Barry Silbert certainly sees it's diversifying as goes become more valuable. Its key utility in electronics is being replaced. The main purchasers for gold are now central banks, which goes against the sentiment of most gold investors. So again, a good article here showing adoption and positives and what's to come for the digital asset market. Let's go back to this Facebook officially registers. Again, not sure why it's not loading now all of a sudden, but I'll kind of give you the rundown on it. Facebook officially registers its blockchain arm in Switzerland. Basically what they were talking about here is I don't know why we're blank, but how Facebook's a majority holder in the Liberian networks, and they're trying to get set up over there in the networks. And again, really, what this is showing here with this article is the adoption. So I guess here's a little bit of information. So, based on a recent report, social media giant Facebook has now registered a new company called Liberian Networks. The registration of this new startup in Geneva on the 2nd of May is in line with the firm's sluggish deployment of its virtual currency, which will help launch the company into the blockchain ecosystem. So again, great adoption here. And finally here, we'll go ahead and hit one more article here, and I'll let you all go. Pay with crypto at Whole Foods, GameStop, and other retailers. For you, those of you that don't know, Amazon owns Whole Foods, and I know there's been a lot of talk in the social media world about the possibility of XRP and or Ripple partnering with Whole Foods, or not partnering with Whole Foods, but talk with Amazon. So, again, a lot of adoption. It's just, these articles all coming out are helping show where this market's headed. With games and just being able to make these transactions within seconds. So it's quite incredible. It's been difficult to spend cryptocurrencies at retail due to the technical and regulatory headaches associated with it, but it might not be an issue at some stores in the near future. So it looks like Flexa has launched a payment network and a companion ISO app. What is that? Spendeth, or excuse me, Spend or Speedin. It'll allow you to spend digital currency at major retailers like Baskin and Robbins, GameStop, and Whole Foods. You just bring up a barcode at the register and the merchant scans it in. If they don't directly accept crypto, the payment network converts your funds into conventional money in real time. So again, awesome adoption that's happening with these digital assets. It's so exciting to read these articles, which are literally coming out daily by the hour, excuse me. And it's just again, I mean, just you can't help but get excited. So and I am by no means a financial investor, or excuse me, financial advisor. So this is all just my opinion, and why I am so bullish in the crypto world and these digital assets, just the utility that they have. Let's just refresh this before I let you go. So again, still down, but don't let this get you down, folks. This is just a temporary red. I know we've been in a bear market for some time now with a good positive run last week that got us all up into the green, got us excited, feeling like your money's working for you. And again, it's going to work for you. So just stay strong, hodl, and everything's going to work out. So thanks for tuning in. Please like my video if you did like it. If you don't, please leave a comment. And actually, you know what? If you don't, well, I guess leave a comment, but I probably won't respond to it. But anyways, yeah, leave me some comments. Let's see where this goes, and I'm going to learn from you all as well. So if you like it, hit that like button, and please subscribe, and ding that notification button as well. So next time I have a video come out, you all will get the update. So thanks for tuning in. Take care.